In this video I'm going to show how we found the high quality parameters for the navigation task. It will be a comparison between the old default parameters against the new ones that we have found after several tests performed on this prototype. First thing, I run the platform here. As you can see, I'm using the previously saved map. The localization and the odometry works perfectly. As you can see, the robot, the laser fit perfectly the wall of and the furnitures of the room. Basically, what was necessary, it's based on three main things. The range sensors that needs to be quite accurate, and we have seen on my laptop that the laser fits perfectly the furniture and the walls. The odometry, and we know that the odometry is good because we performed a good mapping task. And the localization, as I already told you, it's quite good. All the other parameters involved in the navigation are listed on the full documentation, and for everyone we looked at the CPU load and the results of this parameter, because we tried to have a middle way between a good navigation and a low CPU load. So now I'm going to set the old and default parameters to show you how the robot reacts to these parameters. So I've set the old parameters, and now I will give a goal. Let's see if it has smooth movements. Now I give another one, just a little bit close to a wall. Let's see what happens. It starts to oscillate. Now let's try to come back to the starting position here. Again, it starts to oscillate. Sorry. And there's no obstacle there. So it depends on the parameters. Now I'll try to set the high quality parameter that we found after our several tests on the robot. So now I've set the new high quality parameter as a result of our several tests, and I'm going to give to the robot quite the same goal to understand if it has smooth movements. So right here, for example, it reaches perfectly the point. Now I try to send the robot through this straight way here in front of the door. Let's see what happens. It doesn't go near and close to the obstacle of furniture or walls, as you can see. Now it will reach the right point. This is something that can be changed. This is a parameter about the offset for the goal. As you can see, it's perfectly where I pointed it. Now I will move it back to the start position here. And look what happens. I have to remove the cable. It really knows well how to move. Here in the map, as you can see. Now it will try to reach the right position. It adjusts. Perfect. So everything is described in the full documentation, and this is all the big improvement that we had in navigation. That's all.